The first was painted around 1610.
No idea. What did you say, sorry? Guess.
Rembrandt?
No, that's by Rubens, Moses and the Brazen Serpent. Secondly, from about 1871.
Yeah,
Blake?
No, that's Millet, and finally this early 19th century work.
Blake?
Yes, that is unmistakably Blake. 10 points for this. In the astronomical system for measuring the position of objects on the celestial sphere, galactic longitude is represented by the letter L. Which letter is used as a symbol for galactic latitude?
Clare Cliff.
M.
No, anyone want to buzz from Jesus?
Jesus Doherty.
Lambda?
No, it's B. Another starter question. Which physicist is the title character of the John Adams opera Dr. Atomic? He established the Los Alamos...
Jesus Doherty.
Oppenheimer.
Oppenheimer is right. Here are your bonuses. They're on aquatic ecology, Jesus. From the Greek meaning to swim, what name is given to organisms that can swim and move actively in a body of water?
No.
We don't know.
They're nectonic. From the Greek meaning deep, what name is given to organisms that live on or in the bottom of a sea or lake?
I don't know. Deep. What is something deep? I don't know. What's Latin?
I don't know. Well, we don't know.
They're benthic. And finally, from the Greek meaning to wander, what name is given to those minute organisms that drift or float passively with currents?
Plankton.
Correct. Yeah. 10 points for this. The Noel Kempf Mercado National Park, the Jesuit missions of the Chiquitos and the historic city of Sucre are UNESCO World Heritage Sites in which landlocked...
Jesus Speller.
Bolivia.
Bolivia is right. Your bonuses, Jesus, are on confectionery. In each case, name the item of confectionery associated with a given location. A bun associated with an area of West London whose name means landing place for chalk or limestone.
I think it's Chelsea.
Yeah. Chelsea.
Correct. A cake associated with a town in West Yorkshire whose name means broken bridge and which is the subject of a poem by John Betjeman.
Pontefract.
Pontefract.
Correct. A bun associated with the English city known in Roman times as Aquae Sulis.
That's Bath.
Yeah. Bath.
That's a Bath bun. 10 points for this. In 1685, the composer Scarlatti. In 1834, the historian Lord Acton. And in 1873, the tenor Enrico Caruso were born in which city on the west coast of Italy?
Clare Hegarty.
Naples?
Correct. Your bonuses are on chemical elements. In each case, I will give the definition of a word that is an anagram of a chemical element. Name the element in each case. Firstly, for 5 points, the plural form of the bile-secreting organ in mammals.
Silver. Silver.
Correct. A member of a comic strip family resident in the fictional Scottish town of Auchinshoogle.
Boron.
Boron.
Correct, as in Brune. And finally, fir or pine wood when used as timber. Come on.
Yes, just guess something.
Also.
No, it's lead from Deal. 10 points for this. Answer as soon as you buzz. To the nearest 10,000, how many seconds are there in 11 days and 14 hours?
Clare Cliff.
30?
No.
Sorry.
Jesus?
Jesus Waterson.
90,000.
No, it's 1,000,000. 10 points for this. Plum, falls, sponge, cross and station are among words that may be preceded by the name of which British monarch?
Jesus Speller.
Victoria.
Victoria is right, yes. Your bonuses, Jesus, are on a literary profession. Roger is the name given by Chaucer to which pilgrim who tells the unfinished tale of the urban wastrel Perkin Revelure?
Oh, probably the cook's tale. The cook?
Correct. In Stevenson's Treasure Island, which squire funds the expedition and hires, out of pure pity, Long John Silver to serve as cook aboard the Hispaniola?
Jim Hawkins?
No, it's Trelawney, Squire John Trelawney. Which cook, a master baker dissatisfied with the marital favours offered by his wife Noreen, turns his hand to making life-size gingerbread sex dolls?
I have no idea.
We have no idea.
You're such pure creatures. It's Fruity Bun of Viz fame. Right, 10 points for this. Inscribed with the names of two brothers, the National Memorial at Kill Devil Hills in North Carolina marks which historic event of the 17th of December 1903?
Clare On Tv.
The first flight of the airplane.
Yeah, I'll accept that. The Wright brothers' first flight in a machine powered heavier than aircraft. So you get a set of bonuses on Russian historical terms, Claire. In each case, give the word from its definition. Firstly, for 5 points, a rich peasant during the communist period regarded as an exploiter and class enemy.
Kulak. Kulak.
Correct. Second, a collective or cooperative farm in the former USSR.
Don't know. Gulag. Isn't that a prison?
Come on.
Just guess.
Gulag.
No, it's kolkhoz. Finally, the citadel or fortified area of a town often used as a metonym for the central government.
Oh, it's the Kremlin.
Kremlin.
Correct. 10 points for this. Which vowel is the first element in common two-letter English words formed with F, N, S and T?
Jesus Speller.
I.
I is right. Here are your bonuses. They're on Welsh scientist, Jesus. The Welsh physicist Brian Josephson shared the 1973 Nobel Prize for predicting the Josephson effect, which concerned the flow of current in what type of material? Come on.
Semiconductors.
No, superconductors. Born in Tenby around 1510, Robert Record is generally credited with introducing which branch of mathematics to England?
Calculus.
Calculus.
No, it's algebra. Eventually replacing two vertical lines or the letters AE. Record was the first to use which modern-day mathematical symbol? Quickly.
Pi.
Pi.
No, it's the equals sign. The national flag of Barbados and the coat of arms of Ukraine both feature which weapon also associated...
Claire Hegarty.
A trident.
Correct. Your bonuses now are on pairs of words formed by the addition of an initial letter L, for example, oaf and loaf. In each case, give both words from the definitions provided. Firstly, a deciduous conifer and a curved structure that supports a bridge or roof.
Arch and large.
Arch and larch.
Correct. An arched or domed recess at the east end of a church and a passage of time or a failure in virtue or memory.
Apse and laps.
Correct. Lastly, a device generally portable used for going up and down and a venomous snake native to Britain.
Adder, ladder.
Correct. Another starter question. Answer as soon as you buzz. What word of 4 letters can precede the words and at the gong? Clare College, Cambridge, Club 165, Jesus College, Oxford 215. Well, you got going a bit at the end there, Claire. 165 may well be enough to bring you back as one of the highest-scoring losing teams, but thank you very much for taking part. Jesus, you'll definitely go through to round 2. It's a very convincing score, 250, so we shall look forward to seeing you again. I hope you can join us next time for another first-round match, but until then, it's goodbye from Clare.